Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video I'm going to give you a really quick tutorial on how to clean out your Silhouette CAMEO 3 Autoblade. So it's really important to keep the maintenance up with this because it can be difficult to cut your material and you want to be able to just go through your blade, clean it out, and make sure your cuts are performing well with your machine. So if you want to learn how to clean out your Silhouette CAMEO Autoblade, then go ahead and keep on watching. So here is my Autoblade. You can see it right here. Now what we need to do is we need to take off this top cap so we can clean out underneath inside where this blade is. So with this little thing, you got it with your CAMEO, and I bet you haven't used it or don't really know what it is, so that's okay. So if you look at this one, there are some almost flat parts to it right there, and that correlates with the end of my blade holder. Hopefully you can see it. So we have that set. So we are going to take this, and it fits right in with this end piece here, and now I'm just going to turn it, and so it loosened this end piece here. Right, so now we have this part off right there. And you can see my blade has a ton of Magic Flock template material in there because I cut a lot of rhinestone templates. So you want to take something like a lot of people use baby toothbrush or something like that and just clean it down in there, brush it. I don't have a little toothbrush, so I'm probably just going to kind of scrape it off with this key. And then once I get a little brush or something, I'll clean out in there. But you just want to check this out, check your blade. And then the other thing to look at before you do anything else is you want to kind of look at this cap right here. So this, let me see if I can focus it for you. Okay, so I dropped this, so here we go again. So this right here, where your blade comes out, so hard to get this to focus for you guys. There's going to be stuff caught in there, so you just want to check it out. I like to use my weeding tool, poke it through there. But once you're all set, just be really careful through this. We're just going to screw it right back on. And once we get to the end, we're going to put this little piece back on here. Just tighten it a little bit more. And then this is the clicking. This is just how we adjust it. I'll just click this back down so that my blade is at 10. At the end here. So just trust me on that. But that is a quick, really fast tutorial on how to clean out your Autoblade. You want to keep your blade as clean as you can just because a lot of junk can get in it, especially if you're cutting things like template material or small detailed designs with decal vinyl. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're uploading videos all the time with different tutorials for you so you can learn how to use your machine.